In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Shopify payment and checkout settings to make sure customers can complete their purchases without problems. We'll be walking through a few important areas inside your Shopify admin, and the goal is to confirm that your store is set up to accept real orders properly. If customers are having trouble checking out, or if payments are not going through as expected, these are some of the first settings you should review. To begin, open Google Chrome and sign in to your Shopify admin. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the lower left area and click on Settings. From there, select Payments. This section controls how your store accepts money, so it's one of the most important places to check when troubleshooting checkout or payment issues. When you're on the Payments page, find your primary gateway status card. This is the main payment provider your store uses to process customer payments. Take a close look at the status and make sure it shows as fully active. You also want to confirm that it is not set to test mode. If test mode is enabled, customers may not be able to place real live orders correctly because the store is essentially simulating transactions rather than processing them. So if you're ready to sell to real customers, this setting needs to reflect a live active payment setup. Next, go back to Settings and click on Markets. This area determines where your store is available geographically. Here, you'll want to review the countries or regions where your buyers are located and make sure those markets are marked as active. If a customer is shopping from a country that is not activated in your market settings, they may run into issues during checkout, or they may not be able to complete a purchase at all. It's a good idea to carefully compare your active markets with the locations you actually intend to sell to. After that, return once again to Settings and open Checkout. In this section, review any checkout customizations that may be affecting the buying experience, especially third-party checkout validation scripts. If you have added external tools, apps, or custom code that validate customer input during checkout, they can sometimes conflict with Shopify's native checkout process. If you identify a script that may be causing issues, disable the conflicting third-party checkout validation script and then test the checkout experience again. By checking your payment gateway status, confirming your markets are active, and reviewing checkout validation settings, you can eliminate